In this first chapter, we're going to introduce one of the most important tools when programming, in particular with Excel, and that is importing and exporting data. This is our way of exchanging data with other programs. You probably heard of CSV files or text files. We'll be doing extensive work with that in this chapter. In addition, we'll see how we can generate sleek PDF reports directly out of Excel. I often asked by people, how can I transfer data from Excel to Word or PowerPoint to create nice reports? In most times I tell them it's possible, but check out the option to directly generate a PDF report from Excel, eliminating the need to go through Word. We'll do that in this chapter as well. And lastly, we'll see how we can manipulate shapes or images, like importing an image or a photo as a file into Excel and placing it wherever we want within the worksheet. So be prepared. We're starting off right now.